welcome to vlog day 2, part 1. So, outside again, and I think we're going to be going to the beach today, so you guys get to see my new bathing suit. It is beautiful, and you guys are going to love it, and it's going to be fun, so see you guys later. Also, happy 4th of July. Yeah. Whoa. Oh my god. Guys, it's a little bit later after the beach and stuff. You guys can still see it right there, and there's people doing things. So that was fun, and this vlog was kind of short because happy 4th of July, and we're going to be doing a 4th of July thing. Tonight we're going to go and watch fireworks on the beach again, so I didn't want to make that the same vlog because I promised you guys 2 vlogs, so yeah, just be excited. I got a really bad sunburn and going back to the beach. Also, go and check my Snapchat because I just put a bunch of stuff about walkers, so thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Wait, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Bye.